Hello everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to activate a Tesco SIM card quickly and easily. First, insert your SIM card into your phone. Remove your old SIM card or open your phone SIM slot. Tesco sends you a tri-SIM, which means you can pop out the size you need, like standard, micro, or nano to fit your phone. Make a phone call to any number. This is how Tesco activates your SIM. Just ensure the SIM is properly inserted before making the call. Wait for verification. Your phone will detect the SIM and show that it's inserted. Once you make the call, the SIM will activate. If you need to activate an eSIM instead, visit the Tesco mobile eSIM page for full instructions. And that's it. That's how to activate Tesco SIM card. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.